This is like my rules, my makeup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah Ferrari and I'm back with another video. Remember, this is a makeup video, and you gotta remember, if you purchase your makeup, it's your makeup, it's your rules, so it's how you do it. So stay tuned. Yes, you can take critic, but stay tuned and I can show you exactly how I got this slay. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going in with the Real Technique brush and the Maybelline 24-hour full coverage foundation. This is the coconut and it's in the number 355. When you're applying your foundation, make sure you get underneath your neck. This foundation lasts all day, guys. I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl concealer, and this is in the color Warm Honey. I normally use Fawn because that's more of my color, but I want more of a highlighted colors because I have dark hair, so I want to look more lighter in certain areas. Going in with a damp beauty blender, just gonna blend that out nice and evenly. Going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is the medium to dark color, and I like to use a smaller brush. Using a smaller brush helps me get exactly the areas that I want to contour. I'm also going to use another brush just to contour my nose. This brush is a little bit smaller. When you want a natural look, you must contour your eyelids too. No, this isn't eyeshadow. I'm just contouring my eyelids so I can have this natural look. I'm going in with this translucent powder, guys. This is the best translucent powder ever. This is the AIRSPUN translucent powder in the color Neutral. This powder seeps in evenly. I like to press on tightly when I'm applying this powder because it just comes out so fairly. Like, there's no blotchiness, there's no extra whiteness, guys. You have to go buy this. You can get it from Walmart. It's about $7. Going in with the Real Technique buffing brush. This brush helps take off the powder evenly. It also buffs your face. It also smoothing out everything, put it well together pretty much. Going in with the e.l.f. eyeliner. This eyeliner was about $1 or $2. And today, guys, I did my eyeliner pretty fast and easy. I didn't have any problems doing it. I usually have a hard time. Comment below if you have a hard time putting on your eyeliner. It's like the toughest thing ever. And all you're doing is drawing. Like, if you're an artist and you like to draw, this should be such an easy step for you. And I think I'm an artist. Like, I like to draw and stuff. But for some reason, I just could never get the eyeliner down pat. If you watch Aaliyah J's tutorials, I'll kind of be trying to do her eyeliner wings. I don't think I'll be nailing it like her, but I think I'm almost there. Comment below if you like Aaliyah J and you watch her videos just like I do. Going in with the Smashbox. This was bought in Marshalls, guys. I caught a deal for $7. This mascara is usually probably like $20, but I caught a deal for $7. I'm so happy. Now, applying false eyelashes. If you're applying lashes that you already use, you must take off the glue, the old glue. Today I applied my eyelashes nice and easy using weave glue. Look how natural I'm looking. Now, if you're not satisfied with your eyelashes and you want it to look longer and more mink, just apply some mascara. Also, if you want a natural look, you must apply mascara at the bottom lashes just so it can show that you have bottom lashes. I'm gonna apply a little bit of brush. As you can see, this is a eyeshadow brush, and I just like to use it for blush because I just want a little bit. I don't want too much. I'm gonna use my fingers to highlight with this Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sun Dip Glow Kit. I'm going to outline my lips now using the Ardell Professional Brow Defining Kit on my lips. I'm using this because it lasts all day, guys. I usually use it on my eyebrows, but putting this on my lips have been lasting all days. Try using different products on different areas and see how it works for you, but this definitely worked for me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, comment below what works for you, and also don't forget to be kind and caring to others, because you never know who needs it. And trust me, karma is the greatest bitch you'll ever meet. But don't forget to be kind, loving, and live your best life. You know, it's yours. Be granted, be blessed. See you in my next video.